Welcome to StartProto's overview of customer and vendor management. In StartProto, we have a sales side and a purchasing side, which leads us to create a database full of companies. A company can either be a customer or a vendor or both, depending on what kind of business we do with them. To actually go and manage our companies, we can go underneath settings and click on the companies category. From here, we'll see a list of companies. These companies are classified here as company type vendor, customer/vendor, or just plain old customer. If I click on one of the records inside of this table, I can actually be taken to a company details page. Here, I'll find things like a company logo, the details on the company, the contacts that can be found at the company, and addresses. I can have multiple addresses, multiple contacts, and set whatever defaults I like. I can have discounts that are saved to a particular company for either sales or procurement purchases. I can have tax rates, custom fields. Custom fields are essentially data points that we want to store on a company record, and these can help us create small modifications to the application in order to personalize it and get the data points we need collected. I can also add files, notes, and shipping notes to any company record. If I want to view the edit history of a company record, I can do so here. And lastly, if I want to view things like sales orders, quotes, jobs, products, and purchase orders for a particular company, I can view those things underneath the tabs and drill into more details if I need to do so. The tabs are intelligently organized, so if you've got something just like a pure vendor, it'll just show you the tabs that are relevant here for that particular company type. That's all for now on the company side. There are many more videos that we're going to show, and that is a high-level overview of the company record management we do here in StartProto. Thank you.